Namaste everyone. This is JVWU Muskan Kumari from the Department of Science and Technology, and I'm working here as an assistant professor in JVWU University and faculty of education and research. So today in this session, I just want to discuss the basic topics which is related like this cloud service provider. Isn't it what are the various services providers? uh, whose names and what are the working of their, isn't it? So I have to discuss these all service provider in my environment, in which I have already discussed the Amazon web services in just previous session. Okay, but now in this session I have discussed about the Google Analytics and Microsoft Azure and VMware. Okay, so I will discuss these all topics in this. So, to make it an easy way to understand to all of you, I just want to share the some facts which will help to the better understanding to our decision. Okay, so hold on a minute. Yes, I can that you can see later on the which I have sent. In which I have discussed already discussed about the Amazon Web Services, but again just to recall these things. What is the Amazon Web Services? So Amazon Web Services is basically a secure cloud service provider which is provided by Amazon, and it offers the various services like your database storage, computing power, content retrieval, relational database, simple and the functionality also which helps to increase the organization. Okay. So this is basically the Amazon Web Services. The features of the Amazon Web Services will be like the Amazon Web Services provides the various powerful features which is used for the building a scalable, cost-effective enterprises applications. Some important features of Amazon Web Services is like what Amazon Web Services is scalable because it has an ability to scale the computing resources up and down according to the organization's demand. And Amazon Web Services is cost effective as it works on a pay as you go pricing model. It provides a various flexible storage options. It provides various security services such as infrastructure security, data encryptions, monitoring and managing identity and access control, penetrations, testing and data attacks also. It can efficiently manage and secure Windows workloads also. Okay, so coming to the next topic, which is the cloud service provider, which name is the Microsoft Azure. So what is the Microsoft Azure? What are the features of the Microsoft Azure? So Microsoft Azure is also known as the Windows Azure. It supports the various operating systems, database, programming languages, frameworks that allow IT professionals to easily build, deploy, and manage applications through worldwide network. It also allows users to create different groups for related utilities. Features of the Microsoft Azure like Microsoft Azure provides scalable, flexible, and cost-effective. It allows the developers to quickly manage applications and websites. It manages which resources individually. Its OS infrastructure allows us to launch a general purpose virtual machines in different platforms like the Windows and Linux. It offers a content delivery system for delivering the images, windows, audios, and applications. Now, if you talk about the Google Cloud platform, so the Google Cloud platform is a product of Google. It consists of a set of physical devices like the computers, hard disk drive, and virtual machines. It also helps organizations to simplify the migration process, and the features of cloud computing like Google Cloud includes the various big data services such as the Google BigQuery, Google Cloud Data Pro, Google Cloud Data Lab, and Google Cloud Pub, isn't it? So it also provides the database services like which is related to the networking, including the Google Virtual Private Cloud, Content Delivery Network, Google Cloud Load Balancing, Google Cloud Interconnect, and Google Cloud DNS. If we talk about then it also offers services like the scalable and high performance. GCP provides various serverless server services such as messaging, data warehousing, database compute, storage, data processing, and machine learning. It also provides the free cloud safe environment with most more. Now, if we talk about the IBM Cloud Services, so what? IBM Clouds is an open source, faster and more reliable platform. It is built with a suite of advanced data handling tools. It offers various services like infrastructure as a services, software as a services, platform as a services. So you can access its services like compute power, cloud data analytics, cloud usage cases, and storage networking using internet connections. Now, if we talk about the features of the IBM Cloud, so IBM Cloud improves the operational efficiency, its speed and its agility improve the customer satisfaction. It offers the infrastructure as a services, platform as a services, as well as software as a services. It also offers various cloud communication services to our IT environment. If we talk about the VMware Cloud, so VMware Cloud is a cloud-defined data center unified platform for the hybrid cloud. It allows the cloud providers to build agile, flexible, efficient, and robust cloud services. If we talk about the features of the VMware, so the VMware Cloud works on the pay as per you go basis model and monthly subscription. It also provides the better customer satisfaction by protecting the user's data. It can also create a new VMware software-defined data center clusters on Amazon, which is utilizing the RESTful API. It also provides you the flexible storage options. We can manage our applications storage as per application basis, and also provides the dedicated high performance traffic for managing the application traffic and also supports the multi-cloud network. Now it eliminates the time and cost complexity. If you talk about the Oracle Cloud, so Oracle Cloud platform is basically offered by the Oracle Corporation. It combines the platform as a services, infrastructure as a services, software as a services, and data as a services with cloud infrastructure. It used to perform such a moving applications to the cloud, managing deployment environment in the cloud and optimize connections performance also. If we talk about the features of Oracle Cloud, so Oracle Cloud provides the various tools for build, integrate, monitor, and secure the applications. Its infrastructure uses various languages including Java, Ruby, PHP, Node.js. It also integrates the Docker, VMware, and other DevOps tools also with the services. Oracle database not only provides unparalleled integration between ASPAS and SaaS, but also integrates with an on-premise platform which is used to improve operational efficiency. It also maximizes the value of IT investment. It offers the customizable virtual cloud network, firewall, and IP address to securely support private networks. So this is all about if we talk about the Red Hat. So the features of the Red Hat will be what it provides the secure certified and updated containers images via the Red Hat container catalogs. If we talk about the Red Hat Cloud includes the OpenShift, which is an development platform that allows developers to access, modernize, and deploy apps. It supports to 16 virtual machines, each having 256 GB of RAM. It also provides the flexible storage capabilities, including very large SAN-based storage, better management of memory allocations, highly updated of LPMs, and support the particularly rollback. If we talk about the DC Oceans, so DC Oceans, Digital Oceans is a unique cloud provider that offers computing services to the organizations. It was founded in 2011, Moise Kuritsky and based cloud service providers that invest in managing private development applications. So if we talk about the features of digital oceans. So it uses cleaning hypervisors to allocate the physical resources to the virtual server. It provides high quality performance. Also offers digital communicative platform that helps to answer queries and handling feedback. It allows developers to use cloud server to quickly create new virtual machine for their projects. Also click on further droplets. These apps include MySQL, Docker, MongoDB, WordPress, HTML, admin, and image also. Okay. So this is basically all about the cloud service providers, which is included in the syllabus. So I have discussed these all the things. Okay. So students, if you have any problem regarding registration, then please let me know your query by drop your query into the comment section box through which I will resolve your query with you in the next sessions with very informative knowledge. Okay. So, and please read these sessions from multiple statement book and also use the multiple website through which you can easily get the points. And if any questions will arise for these sessions, like define the VMware and their features, then you have to write the conceptual, only the conceptual points regarding the questions. Okay. So please be prepared all the questions which may possible to arise from these sessions. And also, if you have any problem which is during the questions which is raised by you, then please let me know your questions also. Okay, thank you.